Okay, we're already back here with another video. So what I wanted to do was take the image loader example that I was working with before, and I put the ship in there. And you see how when I start the input, it does that, and then it goes. There's a little pause. We're taking that out. We're going to take that out. And the way we do that is with this other project that I've got. That as soon as I hit a key, everything starts moving, and so it does this. So let's take a look at this, and we're going to see how the let's see, we're in main here. I think that's the only thing to worry about. Um, I think it's right here. There's this keys variable. That's what it was. I forgot. So you start with this in your program. It's a global. It's global. Watch out. Okay, so we're going to take the global, and we're just going to copy it into the one that I want to have the correct input. The correct input. Oh, and I put all my variables in here, so we're just going to go like that. Movement global. Okay, so we're halfway there. We're halfway to a joke. Boom, boom. Okay. Do movement. Okay, so there's a whole function for it. That's fine. We don't actually. Do we do this? Press, release. Oh, so that's part of it too. Do movement. Oh, that. Okay, this is where you actually process the movement. Okay, hold on. So we're not there yet. We're not there yet. So this is the new callback that we want. Oh, there's the escape key too. Perfect. This is what I want. Why don't I just, yes, steal this? Okay, so copy. We're going to copy this whole function. We're going to take it to the limit one more time. No. That's a calculus thing. Okay. Wait, key pressed? Oh, wait. Oh, I'm trying to do it in the, okay, this is, what was I? Oh, I was taking this from OpenGL, right? So let's see what we have to do to make this work. Can we do this? Key left, key and OF key modifier. What does this one use? Key and it's just all kinds of stuff. Key and action, key and action. Okay, so I don't know. GLFW. I'd have to get GLFW in there, which I think we can do. Wait, am I looking at this right? This is just OF app key pressed and then key. So it doesn't, it's, yeah, freaking out. But basically, if you look at what this does, it just does, in the callback, it just sets a variable to true. And then when, oh, so it uses press and release. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so what are we talking about here? Are we going to do this? You know, I'm thinking because we do the rotation and everything here, and we don't have to do the rotation here, and there's a separate function. Key left. I don't think that will be it. So let's go look at this OF. Okay, maybe this would be a good example of actually using this online documentation. Because what we want to look up is that key press. Or possibly just input. Yeah, let's go back. That was probably, I don't know why that wouldn't show me. Key pressed. That's why. Let's try that. But I don't think that's what I want. No, it's close. Key pressed. This function gets called when a key is pressed. The value key can be tested against it. Okay. Get key pressed. Key pressed. So let's look at it because it might actually have key pressed, key released. Aha. This function gets called when a key is pressed. There are more complicated character codes for keys such as F1 to 12, down, enter, key pressed. So OF key backspace. Let's go into here for a second And let's go here. Go to definition. Ah, here we are. So this shows you all the keys, and wow. Okay, so what do we want actually? We don't want a lot of this stuff. What do you do? I know. What are we looking for here? Not down there. I like how it shows you the initial results of the search. That's cool. Visual Studio, ladies and gentlemen. Visual Studio. Okay, let's go back up here. Where were we at? Looking. It's cool, but not what we're looking for. Not what we're looking for. Lots of extras. Great, cool, target. Okay, cool, interesting. So this is really cool. It shows you all the extra keys that you can use. One or OF key modifier. Okay. Zach, there are more of these keys. We can add them here. These are keys that are not coming through special keys via GLUT, but just other keys on your keyboard. Oh wow, crazy. They're talking to each other in the .h file. Okay. For now, I might actually just go ahead and leave this and not use that global variable. But I could, what I would do is just set the variable here. But I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. It's because in the other one, if you look, there's something that gets triggered when the key is pressed, and then there's nothing that happens to it. It's constantly on until the key is released. So that's a thing. I mean, yeah. So I don't know. Key pressed, key released. See? Maybe if I, because what? Key pressed int key. So when any key is pressed, it actually does that. If key and if modifier, switch key. Oh, yeah. My question is if this is when it's pressed. Oh, then I just need to include it in here. Oh, duh, I'm so dumb. Can you scroll down and look at the next function they defined? Okay, great. So, okay, now hold on. Everybody just hold on. Okay, so when it hits key left, what we want to do is use our little variable keys. Okay, so keys, and we're going to just of key left, whatever number that is. Okay, is equal to true, right? Okay, then we'll do this in our other function when the variable is true. Okay, so we're going to save that. One of the other features I like is the Alt-Shift, and we're going to go down and then comment all those at once. Yay! Okay, now we're going to do it here. So keys of key right. I know, I'm having so much fun. This is like, I can't believe it. Finally programming again. It feels so great. Yes, yesness and things. Ouch, what's that? What's that? It's a little, okay, I don't know what I'm talking about. So I love that. The variable's true. And then we can do that, another spot in the code. Okay, so let's take this, if key and modifier switch key. So we'll do the same thing. We're just going to copy all this code from keypressed, okay, because it's so spectacular. It's spectacular. Okay. Okay. Key released, key, all that. Leave that there. So we don't need this. Don't need key up at the moment. We don't need this, or key down, or key end. Okay. Just need those two. Take those out of there. It's fine. Okay, great. So now we're going to put this code somewhere else, like anywhere else. Like the update function. Sounds good to me. So how do we do it with this? Because what it does with that is, where was it at? Do movement. See, if keys, yeah, so it just does a test like that. That's super easy. And even though it's super easy, we're copying it. We're being even lazier than really should be. Okay, key release, where did update go? We're already there. Okay. So, and of course we're not going to use that. Not going to use that. Okay, so then we go to our little left. Copy that into there. Okay. Yep, we can do that. Okay, so then we're going, of course, ship rotation -5, rotation 0. So then we're just putting it in there. That's it. That's all we're doing. And we want to do the same thing right here, except for add 5 and go the opposite way. If it's greater than 355, then just set it equal to 0. And we may have just made that work. I really kind of am in shock. Oh, this is a list of all the projects that I currently have going in my projects folder. And I have so many projects that I forget them, and I probably will forget this one after a couple days, but maybe not really because I'm getting excited. But anyways, so in case I forget them, I actually put descriptions of what each project is, and the most important ones that I think have the most potential to excite me and get me excited and programming I put at the top of the list, and then I have them all down here. So, and then of course I have spots where there's like cleanup and things where it's just like there's so much stuff in there, and like right here there's a whole bunch more in there and all fun stuff. Anyways, what was I doing? We haven't even tested this out and we're excited. Okay, so save, compile, run the program. Oh, and it completely fails, ladies and gentlemen. I've got the keys and it's not working. What happened? What happened? What happened? So does update not run every thing or what? You want to just move this over to draw? I don't know. I don't know. If keys. Oh, duh. Look at the keys I used. Wrong. Wrong, wrong, wrong. I was wondering what was wrong. You cannot use the GLFW constant in OpenFrameworks. Just, you know, heads up, folks. Okay, key left, key right. This may actually work now. Whoa, it goes way too fast. That is super fast. It's because there's nothing else happening on the screen. And just because, well, actually, I kind of want to, shoot. I want to see what that looks like. Boy, this, I don't know. That's just, so wait, how do we slow it down? Slow it down. Is there like a pause or something? It's like, what? You want to go slower on your graphics events? Application. Threading, pop-up windows, and other utilities. It's usually in like system or something. Pause or actually, I think there's a pause in C++ I can use. I don't even need a pause. And from this, hold on, C++ delay. Isn't it? It's something like milliseconds or something. How to make a time delay of a few seconds. Yeah. Yes, yes, just get to the, what's the, sleep, C++ sleep. Hold on. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. You gonna show me, computer, or do I have to? Oh wait, I already did. Pause sleep milliseconds. Okay, right here. Function. Okay, to enter an alertable wait state, use sleep-ex function. Win API. What? Windows API. Oh, Jeff, why would you click there? Note that there's no standard C API for milliseconds, so on Unix you'll have to settle for useleep, which accepts microseconds. What? What are you talking about? Unix? Insane. He's insane. Stack Overflow. Where's the one? Ah, here. This one will show you. Template class. What the? That's not it. That's for threading. Threading. Sleep. Maybe is that the one? So this seems like it should be easy to solve. I'm just I want to be able to simplify my code. Sleep 100. Oh, sleep. Okay. It's probably in con.io.h. Sleep con.io.h. So where are we at? Let's try that. I know this is turning out to be a long video, but you know, sometimes programming you got to figure stuff out. You got to find out, look back in your memory from a bajillion, quadrillion years ago. Okay, draw, and then we go like this. Sleep. Ah, see, it's available now. So let's do sleep 250, which is a good. What's the problem? Are we not? Identifier sleep is undefined. Huh? What? Oh, there you go. A capital S. Okay. Whatever. Capital S, my. Okay. Oh, there we go. See, we're onto it, but we got 250, so that's a big number. Let's go 5 times faster. There you go. Come on. There we go. Nice. See, there's a slight delay. So let's go way down to 10, 5 times faster than that. It's a small delay. I know, 10 milliseconds, but you know, that is cool right there. See? Okay, I'm excited about that. So, thank you guys for tuning in. That's really great. That was a 17 and some minute video. Anyways, be sure to like and subscribe and look for more in the future, possibly even more tonight. We're on a roll.